friends, and welcome. If you're new here, my name is Corinna from the Boho Abode, and here on my channel I share unboxings, DIY projects, room reveals. Pretty much everything falls under the Boho umbrella, hence the name, the Boho Abode. I'm so glad you're here joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be comparing two of my subscription services. One of them is more lifestyle themed, and that is the SinglesSwag box. And like I said, that's more lifestyle themed. It comes with a variety of different items. And then the other one is my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag, and that one is beauty focused. The reason I'm comparing these two is because they're both $25 a month, and so I thought it would be fun to compare the value that comes in each of these, being that they are different fillings. So I'm gonna go ahead and start with the SinglesSwag box. I have actually already received a box for each of these, so this is the second time I'm seeing what's inside of these packages. The first box I received for SinglesSwag was a welcome box, and then the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus was a standard receive what was for the month package. So for SinglesSwag, it's all a surprise. I did see spoilers before this arrived, but I've looked at spoilers for a lot of things, and so I don't remember what's inside the box. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it so that we can see this together. Okay, so they've got the black SinglesSwag paper here, and they have the card that goes over the value of everything. It also says to win your next box, and I'm just gonna start with the first items on top and then work our way down. Right, the first one is a charcoal cognac sponge, and I do really enjoy cognac sponges. I have one from Wild, W-Y-L-D, and I have a backup of that one, and so it's nice to have another backup of that. This one, I guess the brand is Relax by Tayo. So there's that. Next item is a food item, and I'm vegan. This contains milk, so I won't be trying this, but I'm going to set this aside for my kiddo. And it's Oogie's Gourmet Popcorn Movie Time Butter. Non-GMO, gluten-free, all things I can stand behind. That's interesting. So I actually got a bento box very similar to this in my spring cause box, I think it was, and that one was in a blush color, which I really love, and this one's in this really pretty aqua teal color, which I also really love, which is rare for random things to get colors you actually really like. So let me try to get this open so I can show you what it looks like. Okay, so it has the rubberized strap here that slides over it, and this one is simpler than the other one that I got, which is perfectly fine. It has the 3 compartments here, and then it has the lid, and then this piece here. So I guess you could put like a napkin or something in the middle there. So it sits like that, and then of course the strap fits over it like so. And next we have Panaria Secrets of the Aeolian Islands Grapeseed Infused Hand Cream. That sounds delightful. Let's see, it does have fragrance in it. I've mentioned this before. I am allergic to fragrance, and I don't mind receiving items in my boxes that have fragrance in it because I love setting things aside like this for my friends who love these things. And it's safety sealed, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that to the side. A couple more items here. Perhaps I have the next tier up. It's a lot of items because I believe the $24.99 box has 4 to 5 items, and this seems to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, This must be the $40 box. So I'll still unbox both of them today, but scratch everything about the value, I guess, comparison. But I guess we can keep in mind if you do FabFitFun or CosBox. I do both. I have a problem. I admit it. This is only $10 cheaper than theirs, but you can get this every month, whereas those you only get 4 times a year. Anyways, continuing on with what's in the box, we have an herbal cream, green tea, nourishes and moisturizes. So that's what the box looks like. Unfortunately, the last box too had some packaged damage in it. It says cruelty-free and vegan. It's good for 12 months after opening. It does have fragrance, though it has an asterisk that says it's natural origin fragrance. So I don't know, I'll probably still set this aside for someone else to enjoy. A light emulsion that will hydrate the skin without saturating it. How lovely does that sound? So that's interesting. I've never heard of the Verdata brand before, but it looks like a lovely product. And we're down to a final few items. I mentioned this in my last one and even in some of my other videos too. I know what brand of essential oils I like using, and so I stick to them because other brands I've tried before gave me headaches. So things like this I set aside. I haven't even gifted any to my friends because I prefer to gift them the brand that I enjoy. So I don't know, that's a miss for me. And then this item here, Mana Kadar Beauty Step 3 Perfect Liquid Eyeshadow in Cosmic, I think. So there's what the box looks like. Let's see what the color looks like. I wonder if it matches the outside of the box. Ooh, it does not, although it does look really similar to one I already have from Stila. So I may just gift this to someone else. Oh no, maybe it's darker. Not sure. I might play with this, I might not, but that's what it looks like. Very reminiscent of the Stila liquid eyeshadow packaging. This is also a liquid eyeshadow, so that's really interesting. That's something fun to play with. And final item is a piece of jewelry, which is exciting, of course. See if I can get this open without tearing the sticker. There we go. Ooh, it's gold. It's so pretty. What is this? Is this a bracelet? It's gotta be a bracelet, right? Look how pretty that is. Wow. I've always wanted a necklace like this, but a bracelet is definitely welcome. Nevertheless, I don't see any stamps on the metal, so I'm not sure. It could be a plated metal, and it doesn't say what it is. I have metal allergies too. Makes surprises kind of difficult, but then it also means I get to gift a lot of fun things to my friends. So that is super pretty. I'm excited to try wearing that. I like it a lot. So that's everything that came in the SinglesSwag box. I'm going to go ahead and assume that it's the higher tier $39.99 box. And for $40, I mean, I feel like that's a pretty good deal for everything. I mean, even if you paid $5 for each item, you'd be getting your money's worth, right? I think my favorite item is definitely the bracelet. It's unique to anything that I already own. Let's see, and the cognac sponge and the eyeshadow. I think for $40, that covers the 3 items already, and then I also have a couple of really cool items to share with friends and family. So totally pleased, 110% pleased with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and move the box around this way, and we're going to go into the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. So this is their $25 a month subscription. They have 3 tiers, just in case you didn't know that already. They are a pretty large subscription service and have been around for a while. This one you do get to choose 3 of your items, and you are given a sneak sneak peek of 2 of the items before your bag even ships. So there's really no surprise to what you get in here. I mean, of course, you could totally make everything a surprise, but the way they have it set up, you get things that you're matched up to for 2 items because they do have the quiz. And so those 2 items are based on that quiz and your answers for that. And then the other 3 items you choose yourself. So I think that's really cool. You do have to choose from certain items though, so it's not like, here's a pool of 100 items and choose 3 that you like. So there is some, how would I describe it? There's some limitations to your choices. All right, so got that open. I'm gonna go ahead and pull everything out of the bag at once. So here's the really cute drawstring this month. I believe because last month also came in a drawstring bag that all of the Glam Bag Plus come in these larger drawstring bags. This is super cute though. I like this one way better than last month's bag. I will definitely repurpose this and use this probably when gifting to friends and family. All right, first item. This was a choice item. I did choose this because last month I chose a brush from this brand as well, and that was the powder brush. This was the Press and Set bronzer brush, and if you saw that video, you know I was blown away with how nice and luxurious that brush was. I never did look up the price, but I'm assuming they're not cheap brushes. They are quite beautiful. You see here the handle has the metal here with the Complex Culture logo on it, and then down here it has this matte rubberized gray that has the name of the brush on the end. And of course, like I said, this is the Press and Set bronzer brush. This one is just as insanely soft. Oh my gosh, I wish you could feel this. This is so, so soft and lovely. I love it. I'm so glad I chose it. Honestly, if they gave me a choice to choose a new brush every month from this brand, I would likely choose the brush because I would love to switch over all of my brushes to this brand because it is just insanely luxurious. I've rambled on enough about a brush. So next item, it just says item on the bag. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see that, but it just says item on it. Item Lash Snack Midnight Moon. I'm guessing that's the brand name. Let me see if I can get this open so I can confirm whether or not the brand's name is item. That would be so interesting. Let's see. Why am I trying to cut below the zipper? I'm never going to reseal the pouch. All right, so I believe item is the brand. That is so interesting. And it says Lash Snack Lengthening Mascara. And I do believe I chose this item. I'm running out of mascara, so it made sense to choose a mascara. And smells like mascara, doesn't smell funny. Really interesting brush on that. I believe this one, small but mighty brush lifts and lengthens every single lash within this flake-free and smudge-proof formula that's packed with nourishing growth boosters. So yes, I saw that this was supposed to help your eyelashes grow. I'm pretty well blessed as far as eyelashes go. I don't need anything that will thicken them, lengthen them, anything like that as far as it's growing. I just need something that'll coat it from root to tip. That's the problem I usually have, is the mascara doesn't go all the way from root to tip, and it's kind of a pain because I get mascara all over my eyes as I'm trying to like get the brush all the way up to the tip. Anyways, first world problems, but I'm excited to try this. It looks like a nice black. Here's the wand up close. It is quite short, very spiky. I do enjoy these kinds of brushes, so I'm really excited to have this. Next item, a beauty blender. I have never tried the original beauty blender. Whoops, there it goes. So I'm excited to see what this is like. So I have experienced the, wow, I cannot remember the name of it right now. The original dupe, the orange one. I've tried that one, not my favorite. I've also tried the Eyes Lips Face dupe for this. It's kind of like a purpley kind of color. I like that one a lot. I do use that one often. So I'm interested to try this one. Not that I anticipate ever spending that much money on a face sponge, but I'm excited to try it nevertheless. I was pretty excited to see that this item was chosen for me. Was this chosen for me? I'm starting to forget already, but I'm excited to try it anyways. I mean, for a $25 bag to have a beauty blender in it, I think that's a pretty good deal. All right, next, I got this wanting it for myself, but knowing it did not make any sense to keep it for myself because a lot of the colors in here I already own in other eyeshadow palettes, and they're fairly new eyeshadow palettes. So I went ahead and got this knowing I was going to gift it away, even though it kind of hurt to do that. The packaging is freaking gorgeous. It is a vegan eyeshadow formula. It's cruelty-free. It's got all of these amazing qualities to it. I mean, I don't think there's really anything else we could be asking for from them. I don't know. Maybe there is something else and I just don't know, but no talc, no mineral oil, no parabens, no gluten, cruelty-free, gorgeous packaging. I'll try to throw up a picture so you can see what the eyeshadows on the inside looks like, because I am going to leave this in its pristine packaging to gift it away to one of my friends. Kind of pains me to do that. I don't really want to do that, but of course I want to do that because I love my friends. All right, so anyways, here is the final item. It's the Trestique Mini Lip Glaze Set, and if you aren't familiar with Trestique, if you are into beauty, you've probably seen their products before. They all come in the classic, looks like a crown packaging, but that's just the packaging. You actually open it up to get to the product itself. I've gotten, I think it was a mini set too, and it had eyeliner, 2 cream eyeshadow sticks, and a brow pencil. And I did enjoy the products themselves. I don't see myself using this though. I'm not a sheer color, a lip kind of person. So this is something I will also pass along to a friend, but I think it's definitely going to be enjoyed even if not by myself. So that's everything that came in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag, and everything that came in my, I believe it's the top tier SinglesSwag box. I'm gonna have to see if I can find an email or something somewhere that confirms what it is. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed seeing all of these products. Please let me know down in the comments which one was your favorite, what you would be most excited to receive as a gift in a subscription. Either way, are you subscribed to either of these services? Why or why not? Anyways, thank you again so much for taking the time to join me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I can't wait to chat with you again soon. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, whatever you feel suited to do, and subscribe to my channel so that I can bring more videos to you. All right, everyone. It was nice chatting with you. Bye.